Today we have the 2014 Skoda Octavia. This vehicle has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, traffic reports, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with rear parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: eco, individual, normal and sport.